You guys how to get long lashes. So the first thing you need to do is grab your lash curler, curl your lashes obviously, then you're going to put them down and use your phone that you're using right now to search up what's happening in China, how they're getting concentration camps, throwing innocent Muslims in there, separating their families from each other, kidnapping them, murdering them.
How about hopping onto Google, typing in the word Uyghur, U-Y-G-H-U-R, and see what the Chinese regime have been doing to about 5 million Muslims.
Grab like a piece like this, and the reason why is because if you look up Muslim concentration camps in China, you'll realize that 3 million Muslims have already died.
Story happens to many Uyghurs in these camps. These are innocent humans being tortured. China explains that this is their way to fight terrorism.